We'll guide you through how to fix a signature not verified in a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Reader. And once that the document is open, go to the top left corner and click on Menu. From here, go to Preferences. And then in the left sidebar, just click on Signatures. And after that, just click on More under Verification, just like so. And make sure to toggle off Require Certificate Revocation option. So just toggle this off just like so and click on OK and then click on OK. Now back to your PDF and check if the signature issue is fixed. And if the issue is still not resolved, just go back to Menu, go to Preferences, go to Signature and Verification and click on More. And then toggle on this Require Certification Revocation and click on OK, and then try once again. This helps refresh the verification process and can fix the error in some cases. And that's it. That's how you fix the signature not verified error in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader.